Hey, Tech Artistry fam. Welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into creative tech tips and tricks. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a quiz intro in Canva that will grab your audience's attention
Hello,
from the very
friends.
first second.
Welcome back to Croc's Quiz. Today, we're gonna play a thrilling game. Guess the fruit by emoji.
Don't wait any longer and subscribe to our channel.
This tutorial will focus on creating the first slide of the quiz intro, and stay tuned because we'll be covering the next two slides in upcoming videos. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you're finding this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And while you're at it, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell.
Step 1. Let's create the background of the first scene. I will go to the element and then search for ice rink. I'll go to graphics and then I will select graphic. Yeah. And I'll select this one. Front ice skating rink background. I will rotate a little bit and put it down to here. Then I'll fit the rest of the screen. Then I'll go back to the element and then search for Winter Village cartoon. I'll go to video and I'll select the first one, Christmas evening in a small village. Okay, I'll rotate, make sure it aligned properly with the other one, and then I'll fit the rest of the screen. I'll go to the element and search for rink board. I'll go to the photo and select the first one, which is called hockey rink boards. Add to the screen. So I'm going to go ahead and crop it all the way to the right. And I'll do the same all the way up to only the orange part in the ice. All right, so from here, I'm just going to go ahead and rotate a little bit and make sure that it's aligned with the ice. It's going to go a little bit above, and then I'm just going to put it down. Roughly around here. Make sure at least we see the red portion. And then we'll trim it down all the way here. Search for straight lights. Then I'll type all easier this way. And then I'll click graphic. And then I will select this one. It's called Street Light Illustration. Let me click here, put it around here, and then I'll duplicate, put the other guy around here. I'll make sure to flip it horizontal. Okay. And from here, I want to go ahead and make sure to hide behind the board. So I'll click to the position, and it'll be behind the board. Another hidden, so I'm just gonna go ahead and then type search for light beam. Go to the graphic again. I need a white one. Choose this one. Spotlight beam. And I'll just gonna put it where the lights are. I'll duplicate and the other guy the same thing. Now let's just see how it looks. Yeah, that's awesome. Set the background is pretty much set. I'm gonna go ahead and lock this because I don't want this background start moving or piece of the background start moving while I'm doing the other stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and click position. I'm just gonna basically highlight all and then right click and then go lock and then click lock. Right, so everything is been locked. I'm gonna go ahead and search for crocodile skating. And I'll go graphic. I will filter by animated. Then I'll select this one, skater alligator. Okay. Oh, so I'm gonna put it here. I'll flip horizontally, scale it down, probably around here. Okay, I'll put it here. Um, I need to create the shadow of this. In order to do that, first of all, you need to have, this is a GIF, it's a animated GIF. So we need to have like a static picture of this. So what you do basically is create, just open uh, a new video. Once you have that, save it as a PNG, and then you can actually, I already have it in my uploads, but yeah, just save it as a PNG, and then you have a picture like this. Okay. And then you can get it from the uploads. So from here, I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the background, scale it down, roughly around here, trim it here, and I'll go to edit, and I'll go to duotone, select custom, and within the highlights, make sure you all have black. Okay, so and it's 6 zeros. Okay, you do the same thing for this one. Okay, so this is good. We're just gonna rotate it. And we'll place it, let's scale it down a little bit. I'm gonna put, let's say, this guy here. Okay, I think this is good. So we're gonna go ahead and then actually group them together. Now let's go ahead and animate the alligator. Just gonna put right here, and I'll click animate, select create an animation, hold the shift key, and then drag straight. Now let's go. I will go to the app and then search for font frame. This is how it looks. I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna change the text to I'll put the text as Crocs, all in caps. I'm gonna change the background of the background picture. I'm gonna go ahead and actually search for an alligator. Go to element and then search for alligator. Go to the photo. There's plenty of choice here. I'll be picking this. I'll be picking this one. It's called alligator in Everglades. Right. So let's go back to the font frame. And then click on the picture, and then use select image will show up. And then you'll see the exact reflection behind the letters, right? You can also move up the way you want, like you can all the way up, right and left. I will leave it up to here. This is good. You can go to settings. You can change the font if you don't like. You can change the letter spacing, the outline thickness, but I'll be leaving as it is. Then I click add to design. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of the picture. Put this one here. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the text, and then I'll be text, and then add the heading. I'll type quiz. Okay, I'll go to the first of all, change the font to Lilita 1. Let's increase the font, and I'll go to the effect, and I'll choose outline. Let's first of all, let's change the black color of the letters. I'm gonna choose this color, and then let's just go back to the effect, and then change the change the color of the outline to black. Right? You can just slide the thickness, so we have a good. All right, so it's good. And I will go to element and then search for an alligator. I'll go to the graphic and I will filter by animated. I will choose this one, winking green alligator with WhatsApp typography. Okay, I'll scale it down. Let me just put this one here and this one around here, and I'll make sure that this alligator actually it's behind the crack. So I'll go to position and then put it behind. All right, so okay, I'll stop it right here. I'm gonna right click on the quiz and then choose show timing, and I'll drag the playhead and I will stop it when the crocodile actually when the alligator actually finish it's almost about to finish is I will stop it right here. Yeah, I'll stop. Then the next step will be well, for the crux, I want it to animate, so I want to make sure it's actually right here, and then I want it to go down, right? So I'll put it here, and I'll click animate, drag it, and then I will shift the press and hold the shift key. Okay. I also want to drag the playhead at just right a little bit. Let's say a 9.1, yeah. All right, and the last one, I'll click on the picture and I'll drag the playhead around 8.4. Okay. So let's just preview and see how. Now to make it more interesting, we just need to add some audio or some voices. So first of all, let's go to the element, go to the audio, and then type ice skating. Then we're gonna pick the first one. I'm sorry. We're gonna pick the this one. It's called ice skating. Stop D. Okay, it's a 4 second audio. So basically, I had to trim it down to 1.5 just so that it repeats the movement of skating. Okay, and then after that, by the time this cracks will go down, I kind of get a sound from YouTube, what is a boom sound. And as for the crocodile saying, "Hey, hi, welcome back to the Croc Squeeze. I went to this website called Fake You Celebrity Voice Generators, fakeyou.com. You basically sign up. It's free. You go to the text to speech. Okay. You come here and then you type your text. Okay. Hello, friends. Welcome back to Croc Squeeze. Okay. And then you just go ahead and click select voice. I've selected SpongeBob, so I'm just gonna type SpongeBob. SpongeBob. Okay, you have plenty of them. The one SpongeBob SquarePants season 3 9A beta. That's the one that to me looks actually close to the. But you got different ones. You also have different characters, so feel free. I've already downloaded, but that's the idea. And then once you let's say select it, then you just click here and then you click speak, and then it's get downloaded. Then you have the voice like this. Okay.
Hello, friends. Welcome to Croc's Quiz.
And then you just download it and then just gonna go ahead and basically add it to your video. So I already have this one, and I also add like the voice of a crocodile actually, like, so this is how everything sounds like when I've added the sound.
Hello, friends. Welcome back to Croc's Quiz.